I see question number 6. Pure hydrogen iodide gas of concentration 2Hi gas, it's in equilibrium with H2 gas plus I2 gas. 2Hi gas of concentration before reaction bafake i-concentration ka Hi 1 mole per decimeter cubed. Over a number of moles, it's concentration times volume. Concentration is 1 times volume being 500 cubic centimeter to cubic decimeter 0.5 decimeter cubed. So it is 0.5. So I'm a number of moles 0.5 moles. Okay, so we have that. Now akukho lutho la. The reaction reaches equilibrium according to the following balanced equation. So siyathola ke ukuthi define the term chemical equilibrium. Siyabona ke. So siyabona ke now basibethi ke, what is the term chemical equilibrium? The term chemical equilibrium means a reaction where mogo react ama reactants akama products nama products abuya akama reactants. Ngikhuluma nge-reversible reaction bese kufika to a point lapho i-speed sokwakhiwa kwama products silingane ne-speed ama products akha ngawo ama reactants. I-rate ye-forward reaction is the same as the rate of reverse reaction. So then we say the chemical equilibrium has been reached. Right. 6.2. The graph below shows how concentration of reactant and products vary with time during the reaction. Yabona ke yabona leya X iqala i-concentration i-high iyancipha kusho to Hi lo i-forward yethu le u-Hi lo represented by Y. Naku u-H uY wethu uqala ukhona iyancipha kuze kube lapha. Kanti ama products ethu kade engekho ayanda until sokusho ukuthi u-X wethu umele ama products, concentration ama products, uY wethu umele concentration yama reactants. Right, ukuyicheckela nje nami mengibhorekile nje ngithe ngathi akuyicheckela which one of the curves or X or Y represents the change in concentration of products. Buka ke it's X. Give a reason for the answer. Initially products were not present, hence iqala from 0. Ama products kade ngekho, so as ama reactants encipha ama products ayanda. So we have that. Nice. 2 marks. How does the rate of forward and reaction compare to that of the reverse at the time of 4 minutes? Choose higher than, lower than, or equals to. The rate of forward is still higher than the rate of the reverse. The rate of forward, why is it still higher than the rate of the reverse? Because at the time of 4, ama reactants asancipha. So which means mesancipha ama reactants, which means the rate of forward is still higher. Kanti lana ma products aya increase, which means the rate of forward is still higher than the rate of the reverse. Right. Now the Kc for the reaction, siyanikezwa ke kuthiwa Kc is equals to 0.04. 0.04. Sebethi now calculate the number of moles of iodine present at the time of blend. number of moles of iodine. Oh, reacted and formed, we don't know, we don't know, we don't know. At equilibrium, we don't know, we don't know, we don't know. Concentration, sisazoyithola number of moles over volume, we don't know, we don't know, we don't know. But let's calculate the number of moles of iodine, I2, present at the time of 6 seconds. Number of moles is Allah. Present number of moles. We need to get this portion. Then star. Number of moles. Okay. Now La U2 produces X. 2 produces 1. 4 produces 10. Now, but we don't know what correct ungakana. So lana kupuma u2x. But this is 2 times lokangane. If kupuma u2x, ngalena ku-edeka u-x, ngoba u1 nalana ku-edeka u-x. Sisawufuna lo x ngoba phela kuningi esingakwazi la. Sinikezwe nje kuphela the value of kc. If bono 0.5 kwaphuma u2x. Why ngize ngithi 2x? Ngoba this one is 2 times leya ngale. Ngi-assume ukuthi uma ku-edeka u1 kusuke kuphume u2. Uma ku-edeka u-x kusuke kuphume u2x. So now sino 0.5 waphuma u2x sekuzosala ngaki na? 0.5 minus 2x. 0.5 minus 2x. Ngalena sino 0 kwa edeka u-x sesinani u-x. Nangapha sino 0 kwa edeka u-x sesinani na u-x. Okay. Now what about concentration? Mangakana nama number of moles at equilibrium. 0.5 minus 2x over volume 0.5. Lana sinani x over 0.5 nala x over 0.5. The concentration yalezi na. Sasiyake manje sisolve for x. Bese sutholile u-x sizobuyisela la sithola ukuthi sithola ngakhi. Ungakanani x wethu. Solve for x. Right. Asebenzise omunye umbala ukuze singadideki. Kc, yini Kc? Concentration of H2 times concentration of I2 over concentration of Hi squared. It's Kc. What is Kc? 0.04. Concentration of H2, it's x over 0.05, or 0.5, sorry, x over 0.5 times, what is concentration of I2? It's now x over 0.5. Divide by, it's in concentration Hi, it's 0.5 minus 2x over 0.5 all squared. About it's Hi all squared. Sasiyathola-ke ukuthi 0.04 is equals to lokhu multiply, you have what? A times A is A squared. B times B, B squared. X over 0.5 times x over 0.5. Sithola nina x over 0.5 all squared. Divide by what? Divide by what? 0.5 minus 2x over 0.5 all squared. We square both sides. We square both sides. So now sifuna ke u-x wethu, then we will have 0,2 is equals to, we square both sides, x over 0,5 divide by 0,5 minus 2x over 0,5, right? So bese siba no 0,2 is equals to x over 0,5 times 0,5 divided by 0,5 minus 2x. Low cancel a look, yeah? Then we'll be left with 0,2 times 0,5 minus 2x is equals to x. So we will have half of this is 0,1 minus 0,4x is equals to x. Then we'll have 0,1 is equals to 0,4x plus x, which is 1,4x, 0,1. So what is 0,1? 0.1 divided by 1.4, gitola mina. So x will be gitola 0,077142. So 7714. These are the number of moles. And here egu I2, this is for our x. So this is 0,0714 moles. So we get that with 6.3. Right. Anything clear? Yes. So that's it, only 6.3. Then we go to, but the graph below shows how the rate of forward and reverse change with time. The rate of forward leyana kusho kukhona okwenzekile la before besibuza nje uyabona khona okuedekile bathi mokuedeka the rate of forward yaba more, i-reverse ya increase. So the rate of reaction right now, temperature of the container is increased to 10 at 10 minutes. So when temperature is increased, both rates increases, but forward increases more than the reverse. Okay, both rates they are increased, but forward increases more than the reverse, which means forward it's endothermic, reverse it's exothermic. The temperature of container is increased at the time of 10 minutes. Which reaction shows an increase in rates that choose forward, reverse, or both forward and reverse? Which reaction shows an increase is both forward and reverse? So both forward and reverse, that is 6.1. Now both forward and reverse get increase. But is the heat of the reaction delta H for this rate positive or negative? Fully explain the answer. It is positive because forward it's exothermic, it increases more than the reverse. So it's positive. The forward it's endothermic, whilst the reverse it's exothermic. So this we have it there.